Welcome to Adaptive's 8-part project management series. Our scenario will focus on the company Drive Corp, a drivetrain supplier for major truck manufacturers. Ryan, the project manager, is responsible for managing projects that support the design, development, and manufacturing of drivetrain parts for their customers. In this video, we will see how Ryan, our project manager, uses 3DEXPERIENCE project templates for project planning across his organization. Ryan opens the project management application. He selects project templates from the navigation panel. Then, Ryan creates a blank project template and begins to build the project plan from the tool ribbon. Project templates are an ideal way to reduce the need for creating new project schedules every time. From the tool ribbon, Ryan can quickly add multiple phases, tasks, gates, and milestones. He can also perform modifications from a single cell or multiple cells. Ryan uses the Gantt chart view to modify task dates, duration, and dependencies. The Gantt chart view provides a more visual approach to setting up the project schedule than the structured view. Next, we'll see how he can configure project templates. Ryan uses template questions when similar projects have slight differences, such as tasks, approvals, and milestone requirements. Leveraging the power of questions for project schedule configuration options in 3DEXPERIENCE is a key differentiator from other project management tools. Ryan starts creating a new project from the template and selects the project schedule configuration options. He selects a true statement to include the material development phase and its tasks in the project schedule. From the preview pane, observe the material development phase and its tasks have been included in the project schedule. Ryan likes the project schedule. Notice he also has the option to reuse, copy, or reference other objects such as bookmark folders, budgets, and resource plans. Now we can see Ryan's new drivetrain project that was created from the template. He reviews the project schedule, task duration, and dependencies by expanding the Gantt chart view. You have just learned how the project template functionality in 3DEXPERIENCE saves time and improves the accuracy of projects across the enterprise. In the next video, we'll see how Ryan adds team members and assigns tasks.